Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jelena and this is Ballet for All. Today we have a pointe class for beginners and I hope that you are as excited as I am. So let's just have a quick jump into what we are going to learn today. Okay, so what I just did is a little bit too advanced for beginners, but don't worry because every great dancer starts at the same point and it's where we're going to start today. Today is all about how to get comfortable in your pointe shoes, feeling your way through the toes and strengthening your ankles. So quickly pause this video, pop your pointe shoes on and let's get to the class. So we are going to begin parallel position facing the bar. And we are going to peel off our right heel from the floor and keep working through a demi-pointe, full pointe plie, pushing that arch over the toes. And we are going to go back down from the same position and stretch. We repeat with the left and demi-plie pushing over your toes, up and down, and now both together. Demi-plie, demi-pointe, full pointe pushing over and try to stretch in that same form. And now lift your upper body, super elongated, balance, 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 and down. We repeat that a second time and then we open to first position. And we're going to repeat everything. Lift, demi-plie, stretch, and down, and peel off your heel, go through the demi-plie, push over your arches and toes, up and back, both together, demi-plie, lift up, keep going, and now in that same position, trying to stretch and lift your heels there, lift your upper body, balance, 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 and engaging your core and glutes muscles. Keep that turn up position. And we repeat again that 2 times. So 2 times in parallel, 2 times in first position open. Now, what I want you to do here is like, think that your foot, your shoe is not going to totally leave the floor. It's not totally going to lift out of the floor. So it's going through your toes plie and going back again without lifting your foot. Only that. And the whole time super lifted and very elongated, as it's going to be very hard to be on point, okay? Right leg. Plie. And left. Balance, down. Okay, next exercise is gonna be doing only tendu, but when we do that tendu, we are gonna do a push over those toes, and we're gonna lean over there. Now, we have to keep the line, the turn out, and remember that when we are in relevé, there is this line between your hips, your femur, all of your leg, and your second toe. Well, we're gonna keep the same position right now here. Push over, forward, lean, bring back, and toes lead back to first position. We are gonna repeat to the second, and down to the back. And now when we do tendu to the back, we can actually do it. Tendu to the back, we can actually do it. Just doing the full foot. That's a little bit dangerous, so what we're going to do is we keep the line of that arabesque, we keep it, and we're only going to do a little bit of plie. This is going to help you to straighten your ankle, but you have to really control it in case that you can injure yourself. Just a little bit of plie to accent that kind of little line, back, and first position. We are going to repeat that. Right leg, left leg, and we are just gonna do one relevé first position, balance. Just to control your ankle, have a really nice, comfortable feeling of your toes. Only that. Let's get to it. Again, slow and easy, first position open, and we are going to do demi-plie, roll through, point, push your arches and stretch there, keep it, keep it, keep it, and down. Second time, roll through, up and down. Now we're going to do plie, directly to point, plie, 2 to point, plie, 3 to point, stay balanced, and repeat again, first position, then tendu, second position, and we repeat everything, plie, up, balance, and repeat everything a second time. Now, don't use the bar to jam yourself there and use it to lift you. No, if it's possible, use only 2 fingers on the bar. Okay, because remember, once we are in the stage, we don't have the bar anymore. We are just our body, ourselves. Now, take your time, breathe. If you think that it's too difficult, these exercises for you, don't worry, take your point shoes off today. You can change it for your soft shoes. Anyway, this ballet class is great for creating that strength and control of your ankle. Also, check the link of the description of this video. That I'm gonna leave for you my playlist for the strength and exercises. 2, and stay. Balance. Okay, so next exercise, we are going to do demi-plie, relevé, demi-plie, relevé, and now we go demi-pointe and push, demi-pointe and push, demi-pointe and push, plie, second position. Here what I need from you is to use the control and strength of your ankle to push over your toes when you are in that demi-pointe. So we are in the demi-pointe and both together at the same time. Push and down and lift it and down. Okay, to demi-plie, to a relevé, down, demi-plie, relevé, down, and point, and 3, and tap, tap, down, tendu, second position. Okay, take your time. I know it hurts, trust me, I'm in the same as you, I'm feeling it too. If you need to step up with your heel on the box of your shoe to soften a little bit, do so. Remember to keep moving and never take your pointe shoes off while you're in ballet class because that makes it worse. You will never be able to put it back. Plie and point. Plie and point. Up and 1, 2, 3. Both together. 1, both together. Tendu. Plie and up. Plie slowly up. Now 1, push. 1 and up. 1 and up. Different beat. Plie. Up. Plie. Breathe. 1, push. 1, push. 1, push. Tendu. Plie. Last time. Up. Plie. Up. 1 and push. 1 and push. 1 and push. God, it hurts. Trust me, I know it hurts. We are on this together. I'm with you. Our next exercise, we're going to do relevé in 5th position, facing the bar. We're going to do tendu, plie, tendu, demi-plie, and we are going to squeeze everything and sit in like together at the same time. And the way I like my students to do the slide down is by sliding this front leg. Okay, so once again, the first leg is the one that's going to squeeze and it's going to slide down. So the exercise, tendu, plie, and squeeze up and slide down. Tendu, plie forward. Tendu, plie, squeeze, brings everything up and go down. Tendu, plie, squeeze, and slide that leg down. Relevé, relevé, balance, balance, and repeat everything with the left leg. Ready? Our last exercise. Give everything, squeeze everything up, up the whole time. 7 and 8. Okay, dancers, so thank you very much for joining me. Hope you liked the video. If you did so, remember to give some thumbs up. If you are new on the video and the channel, please remember to subscribe and click the little bell right beside the subscription button, so every time I upload my next video, you get the direct notification. I hope you like this video. It's a very easy and slow point work for beginners. It's quite challenging, obviously, as a point shoes is really challenging for everyone, but don't give up, stay there, stay strong, hold on. We're all together in this, and I'm gonna guide you through this journey, okay? So, thank you very much and see you next time.